What's poppin', Psyche Squad? It is your girl, Kate in the motherfucking Benz, the Psyche, and I'm back with another video. Oh, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome motherfucking back. As you guys can see from the title, today we got another food vlog. Today, I'm gonna be trying, I'm still debating on either a burger place or a wing place. I'm kind of leaning towards the wings, but like, wings are really messy with nails. Burger, you know, iffy, so I will most definitely tell you guys when we get to the destination. Make sure you guys also check out my most recent food vlog with the Korean corn dog. Bomb AF if you did not check it out. Also, make sure you guys follow my TikTok. You know, I do nail designs or whatever on there, so make sure you guys tune in there as well. Also, I almost forgot, make sure you guys tune into my birthday vlog if you guys missed it, but we're gonna straight to this video because I'm doing too much talking and I need to get on the road because it's getting late, it's getting dark. You know, I need the good lighting for the vid, for the food, for the quality. So we're gonna get going. So guys, we have arrived and my car has been giving me bare troubles. I'm supposed to reach there at like 7:30. It is now 8 o'clock and we have reached, so it is, if it will focus. Yeah, so it's right there. Hold on. Right there. So pretty much, I don't even know exactly what I want. I'm just gonna go inside, take a video, whatever. And yeah, so after this, I don't think I'm gonna get wings. I told myself, yeah, let's get wings or whatever. But I seen another TikTok thing on there and it was called Cinnaholic. And it's literally up the street from here. The Bullger is at address 424 Danforth Road. So I'm just gonna get Cinnaholic right after because it's literally in the same area instead of me going 20 minutes to come back. You know what I mean? So it does make sense. So and that's what we are going to do, but I'm gonna go inside or whatever because the lighting is trash. So guys, we are trying a thing. I had like my mini ring light there, got this light on, so we are bright and in action. So pretty much, like I said, I got the clucky, I think. I got the fuzz. What did I get? Let me see. Yeah, so I got, oh, the crunchy. I got the crunchy, which is pretty much 4 chicken strips with beef, bacon, cheddar cheese, and chipotle sauce. And then I got the mighty, what? I got the bullseye, sorry. I got the bullseye and it comes with a 6-ounce double beef patty. Whoa. I didn't see the double. Mozzarella cheese, a fried egg. I never tried fried egg on a burger, so I was like, I need to try it out. It comes with mushroom, lettuce. I took off the tomato, the Bullger sauce, and then I got ketchup, barbecue sauce, mayo, chipotle on top. Of course, you know, we can't be having any dry beef. You get me? And of course, I got a water on the side because, you know, I gotta be kind of healthy, you know? So yeah, oh, this smells amazing! Oh my gosh, this smells incredible. I'm so excited. Like, I'm hungry, guys. Like, what I mean to tell you, I didn't really eat today. Like, I mean that shit. Is this pea meal bacon? I don't know, you know. Oh my gosh, I never had beef bacon before. I always eat pork, that's why. Oh, this is sauced up. Hold on, let me get the next one out because no way. Not even tell you anything. Oh man, oh blood clot man. No, they did what they fucking had to do. Like, what I mean to tell you guys, this is sauce. Can you guys see what we're working with here? Hold on, I need to let this focus because this is fucking huge. If I stay in my Lulu sweater, like, I won't even care, you know what I mean? Because like, this looks like it's worth the stain, you know what I mean? And let me just not speak too quickly on that one. I'm so sorry guys, it's so hard for me to show you guys. So pretty much it's the bacon, the chicken, you know? Hopefully it focuses a little. My nails are friggin' in the friggin' lens. Yeah, so this is the second one. Okay. Oh, and I got a poutine. So pretty much I spent what, 35 bucks on everything, which I feel like is really good to get 2 burgers. And then, sorry, I'm in a sports bra. It is what it is. So I don't know which one to try first, but let me just make my TikTok or whatever. Ah! Child, I'm excited. I'm so excited. So guys, we're gonna do chicken or beef first. I'll do the beef first because of the egg. Roll the sleeves up. It's getting serious. It's getting serious. Hair back. Good thing I brought some hair ties, baby. We gotta come prepared up in this bitch. And on the top, oh my gosh, because it's Ramadan, I guess the time. I'm not of the Muslim religion, so I'm not too sure how Ramadan works, but they have the Ramadan Kareem, if that's how you pronounce it. It basically has like the moon with the little diamond embezzled, like burnt on top. Oh, I wish I could show you guys. Hold on. Hopefully you guys can see what I mean, like right here. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So I'm assuming, right, that they are a Muslim-based company. I'm not 100% sure, and I apologize if I am false in making some accusations. But we're gonna pick out this burger. Oh my gosh, this shit is huge. Let me tell you guys that right now. Honey, I don't even know where to start. I'm just gonna dive in. Let me just push the stick down. Oh, this is definitely gonna fall apart. Oh, MG. I don't know if they put mustard on this thing, and I hope they didn't. It tastes like a little bit of mustard there, but we're not gonna talk about that. If the food isn't messy, it's not good. Let me tell you guys that right now. Holy smokes. If you guys see stuff in my teeth, so sorry. If you guys see stuff in my face, so sorry. This is the egg. Oh my gosh. That is a crazy texture. Look at that. Oh my god, a fucking facial. Yikes. Not the vibe. Wow. I actually like the egg. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know if this is really good because I didn't eat. I don't know if it's really good because it's actually really good. So I'm going to try the chicken. But I'm like, there's no way I did not get any napkins in this whole meal. Oh my gosh. My poutine, guys. I almost forgot. Like, fix up, Kira. You're missing out on the things. So we are going to try the crunchy. And this actually looks super crispy. Like, it looks really good. So this is just strictly chipotle. I didn't add anything to it. So I guess we will see how this one tastes. This piece looks healthy right here. This bite, yo. Wow. You know what this tastes like? No word of a lie. These chicken strips taste like a crispier version of friggin' Chick-fil-A. Wow. Oh my gosh. No. No fucking way. No. This literally tastes like Chick-fil-A. Like the chicken itself is just crispier. Wow. Chicken is moist. Let me see that. I'd rather this burger over this one. I can tell you that right now. I think it's because there's less going on, so it's not as many flavors in my mouth, if that makes sense. Anytime you find food that tastes like higher brands, it's game. Let me turn off this light. Does this make a difference? Yeah, I look so like... Actually, I look kind of cute. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but whatever. But yeah, I really like this burger more than that one. I feel like with beef, it's so heavy, you know? Wow. I can't get over how good this tastes. That's crazy. We're gonna try our poutine now because I don't know who told me to. Oh yeah. You know those poutines that just look mod? Like, It's kind of cold, not gonna lie to you, because I was actually taking mad long. The cheese curds are great. It's the gravy. It's not even the gravy. Is it the gravy? That bite was great. Hold on. And then it's gotta go deeper, you know? I don't know, you know. I apologize for you guys hearing me chew aloud and talking at the same time. That's actually disgusting, but we move. They need better fries. I feel like these fries, I think because I made my own poutine, and if it's not better than mine, like, something's wrong. You know what I mean? And this isn't better than mine. I can tell you guys that right now. I feel like Cavendish potatoes are like the best fries hands down because they just stay crispy. They have like this type of coating. This is kind of soggy because of the gravy. So whether I waited long or not, the fries would stay limp. You know what I mean? Overall, the meal is not bad. I can tell you guys that right now. Like, it's not a waste for me to come from where I was coming from to here. I don't like getting food and it's not worth it. You know what I mean? So like this, I could say is definitely worth it. The chicken sandwich, 100% worth it. Like, not soggy at all, super crispy. Like, I don't know if I should rate it now or after I'm done eating everything, like at the very end of the video. You know what I mean? What do you guys want me to do? Like, I'm trying to think which one's easier. Like, I don't know if I should. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna finish eating everything and then I'm gonna come back before I go to Cinnaholic. Hi. People kill me. Oh my gosh. What's I saying? This guy looks so confused but excited at the same time. Shit. Fuck, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat this, rate it, go to Cinnaholic, rate. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't even know if I could do. I'm so sorry. Like, that's actually disgusting. I apologize 100%. I keep forgetting what I'm trying to say. Yes, I'm going to eat this, rate it, go to Cinnaholic, rate it, then we are going to head home and re-fucking lax. Like, bye. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat this. I'll be back in a jiff. So guys, I ate what I could, just because I want some room for Cinnaholic. But time for the rating. for the chicken sandwich, I would say like a 7.5 or so, just because I feel like the chicken needs some type of coating, because some of the parts had the chipotle, which is great, and then some parts were dry. But even though it was dry, it was seasoned, so like that wasn't too bad. But I don't know, I like my food saucy, so maybe that's why. So I'd rate that a 7.5. The other burger, I would rate like a 6.5. Yeah, a 6.5. I feel like it has a lot going on, and I think because I added so many sauces too, that's another reason why there's a lot going on. So I would rate that a 6.5. Poutine, like a 6. I'd say 5.5, because the cheese curds and gravy weren't too bad, and then on top of that, it's just the fries. Like, fries really make or break a poutine. So if your fries are not standard, if your fries are not up to par, then your poutine is off, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that's pretty much that. Nothing too extreme. It was actually really good, don't get me wrong, and I feel so bad for wasting all this food, because there's people who actually do not have anything, and I'm here tossing away half of burgers and all that stuff. So Lord forgive me. But yeah, so we are gonna hit the road again, literally go up the street to Cinnaholic. If I find the address, I'll let you guys know. I honestly do not know. But yeah, I'm like half satisfied. I know for a fact this cinnamon bun or whatever, I'm so used to Cinnabon, and I've been craving cinnamon buns for like the past 2 weeks now. But because the Coke like lockdown and stuff, like I don't even think the one by my house is open. So yeah, so we are gonna be trying something new, something different. Not no basic things. I don't come to the city far from home, 30+ minute drive, to be tasting basic shit, you know what I mean? Sorry, excuse my language. Basic stuff. So we are gonna be trying extreme, we're gonna be trying different, we're gonna be trying extraordinary, you know what I mean? But yeah guys, so I'll be back when I get there. So guys, this is the bake sale. So it has brownie bits, cake batter frosting, I think cookie dough. It has the most, and then I got a basic regular one. So we are gonna taste test. So guys, I apologize for the glare if there's a glare. So guys, I'm gonna be trying the regular one first, and then I'm gonna try the cookie dough one after, just because it has chocolate on it. So I don't know if it's I don't want to ruin my taste buds in a sense. Okay, soft. I'm so nervous. Like, I don't eat anybody other. I can't even speak. I don't eat other. Ooh, this piece looks healthy. Hold on a sec. The center is always the healthiest piece, so that has to be my first piece. I don't even know why I'm blowing on it like it's hot. Like I don't eat hot food. Whoa. No. It's a fucking icing. No fucking way. And I'm a cinnamon bun holic. Like, I love a cinnamon bun. I love a cinnamon bun. I'm telling you guys right now, if this was actually hot, no, I'm taking this one home. No fucking way. This tastes so good. The only difference between the two is like there's cinnamon, but the icing tastes exactly the same. Hold on. Whoa. No. What the heck? No. I could, coming from me, if you know me, I eat cinnamon buns on a regular when they were open. And when I tell you guys this is up there, 100% up there. Like, if their cinnamon was a little bit better, they might actually be better than cinnamon bun. I'm not saying a lot. It's super soft and chewy, but it also has like a caramelized like cinnamon. I don't know. Like, I need to save this to take it home, but then again, it's just like, honey, like, can you, like, do you need to take it home? You know what I mean? And I think I'm going to, because I know I'm gonna be craving a snack tonight, and this will be bumping. Wow. I'm gonna rate this right now, because it tastes so close to Cinnabon. Definitely a 9 to 9.5 out of 10 for the regular, because there's no way this is busting like this. But yeah, so now we're gonna try the bake sale one. I'm excited. Okay, let me just taste the icing. Ooh, this is about to be soupy AF. Oh my gosh. It's warm though, like it's really warm. So I'm happy about that. So sweet. I don't want the toppings, honestly. I want the bun.
Without the brownies, way better. Cookie dough is great by itself. Oh, and the chocolate sauce too, which I forgot. Yeah. Way better without the fucking brownies. I fuck with this. I fuck with this. Yeah, like their dough is so good. I don't know what they're doing in there, but they need to keep doing what they're doing. Because this actually tastes so stinking good. Oh my gosh! I didn't realize it's still a cinnamon bun. What? Oh my gosh. Wow. Hold on. Hold on a sec, because I'm here thinking it's just a bun with the stuff on top. I didn't actually think it's still a cinnamon bun inside. Wow, that just changed the game. Totally, like, my head's itchy. Like, when I don't understand things or, like, I'm puzzled, like, I itch my head. Because I was not expecting that bite to taste like that. I thought it was chocolate at first. Then I tasted a little specks of cinnamon. I said, whoa, with the chocolate and the icing and all that jazz, like, changed my mind. Changed my whole thought process. Like, wow. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna quickly, not even quickly, I'm gonna savor every bite of this, and then I'll be back with my, actually I'll just rate it for you guys now, and then I'll cut the camera till I get home. I rate this without the brownies, right, like a 8.5, or like, yeah, like an 8.5 without the brownies. With the brownies, probably like a 7.5. It's just mad sweet with the brownies, and I feel like it's just too much chocolate because of the cookie dough with the chocolate chips and all that stuff, and the sauce on top. So I feel like without the brownies, it tastes way better. So definitely, what was I gonna say? Yeah, 8.5. Thought I stayed my shirt. Anyways, yeah, guys, so I'm gonna eat this, and then I will be back when we get home. So guys, I got home. As you guys can see, it's bedtime. When a times game, like, I'm exhausted. Like, it's like midnight. I just hope I don't sleep, and then like I wake up, like my body considers it's a nap or whatever. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's food vlog. Make sure you guys check out the places that I put you guys on today. I would say Cinnaholic 100%. Like, that place is bomb. I'm definitely way back. The burger place, I don't really know. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, check out all my other food vlogs as well. You know, the gifs. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, type in a comment, hit that subscribe button with the button on that post. Your girl, Casey, my fucking Benz, and I'll see you guys in my next video.